Morning teacher, today we are going to explain the Galapagos Island and the society. Galapagos Islands is located a 1,000 kilometers from the coast of Ecuador, represent the second largest marine reserve of the planet, and are also the second most volcanically active archipelago after Hawaii. It has 13 large islands with an area of more than 10 square kilometers and 6 medium islands with an area of 1 square kilometers to 10 square kilometers, and another is 215 small islets. So in this part, I say that it's the second largest marine reserve on the planet. It has a lot of awards. Next, origin of Galapagos. It was about 14 million years ago that the tops of several volcanoes broke the surface of the Pacific Ocean, approximately 1,000 kilometers west of the coast of Ecuador, and formed the initial Galapagos archipelago. The first people who has lived in Galapagos was born in the Ecuadorian coast. Biodiversity. Endemic species include petrels, cormorants, the Galapagos hawk, penguins, land and marine iguanas, and many more. The species or categories of fauna that can be found in Galapagos are mammals, birds, reptiles, fish, and marine invertebrates. The most interesting species is the giant turtle that has extinguished because the final animal was died. Charles Darwin at Galapagos. His observations of variations between species on different islands used the idea that would lead to his lectures on evolution and natural selection, published more than 2 decades after the origin of the species. Darwin was very surprised by the diversity of beings in species that were otherwise very similar. Society. The society refers to a polysemic concept that designates a particular type of grouping of individuals that occurs both among humans and among some animals. How is it organized, the society? Determining factors of social organization mechanisms that influence and determine the functioning of the social system. One example could be the government of Ecuador. First is the president, then the vice president, etc. etc. How a society is formed? A partnership is an arrangement where the parties known as partners agree to cooperate to advance their mutual interests. The society contains the same rules and internal regulations. In a school, for example, could be that the student can't bring the phone in class. Examples of a society. In these examples, could be the family, what is the first group to which we belong. the school, the work, and the government. Thank you.